Twerk, twerk.
So they're all in the basement. Why don't
Working room. Oh, yeah.
to be stinky? Some of these rooms are the same room. Chill room.
Drago.
I want to see. Go to jail. And I taught it something artistic.
Do you want KF to judge on that? Wait.
Yeah, we don't even have a jail.
What do you mean? Last week.
No, we
Or
don't.
last week. Any last words?
I'm gonna go to jail. I'm gonna go to jail for a reason. Nope.
I knew it. Why do you guys
Okay.
Lunar killed me and I wasn't attacking Lunar, so that's not something.
Bye, weekend.
Bye, KF. Have a great weekend. See ya.
We love you.
Love you. Love you.
Love you.
Hubby is the best. Draco.
Stop. Yes.
Why? Why, my guy?
Bobby, poor
Why? Why, my guy? The best. Draco. Stop.